Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple but so elegant crochet collar. I hope you like it. It's so simple and I think it's so gorgeous. I like it very much. I use here size 3 category 100% of cotton yarn and use 3.5mm hook. Now I will try that a mix yarn. This is an acrylic and cotton mix combine yarn, and this category is 2 3, but I think a little thicker from that, so I will use with that yarn 4mm hook. It's so simple, you can do that easily. Only we will use here double crochet. You can make it so easily. For this pattern you need multiples of 4. You can adapt that pattern everyone with this number. I use here with this yarn 72 yarns for an adult. For this yarn I think I will make here 64 or 68. We will start with slip knot. Don't forget you need multiples of 4. Thanks a lot for your kind comments, and please don't forget subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, we can start the crochet. Are so simple and so elegant, and this is handmade button, you know, from our baby project. Let's start to crochet this beautiful color. First of all, make a slip knot. Then make our chains, but not make so tight. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. I made my 64 chains. Now, usually we add here 2 more chains for make double crochet, for count our first double crochet. But I add here not 2, 4 chains, because I want to make here this buttonhole. Okay. Here 1, 2 for my double crochet, add 2 more for the hole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip these 5, yarn over, insert into the 5th one and make here double crochet. We made here buttonhole. Okay, then yarn over and insert into the, also you can use these back loops. Also we will use these back loops more better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip, insert into this 6th back loop. Yes, make here double crochet. 1, insert the next back loop, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, insert the back loop, grab my yarn, pull through to, pull through to. Look at that, this clear looking from the starting, our here comes to our neck, and it looks better like that. Yarn over, insert the back loop, grab my yarn, pull through to, pull through to. I will make double crochet in every each back loop until come to at the end. I complete and turn to you. I complete my double crochets here. Now chain 1 and turn my work, not count, and insert into the same stitch, grab my yarn, make single crochet. I insert we have here 2 legs, insert this second leg and make here 1 more single crochet, count as my first double crochet. Then yarn over, insert into the next one, grab my yarn, pull through to, pull through to. Chain 2, yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn, pull through to, pull through to. Make here V stitch. Then yarn over, skip one, insert into the next one and make usual double crochet. Yarn over, skip one, insert into the next one, make double, chain one or two, insert into the same and make double. Yarn over, skip one, insert into the next one and make double crochet. Yarn over, skip one, insert into the next one, make double, chain two and in the same stitch double. Then yarn over, skip one, insert into the next one, usual double crochet. One stitch, V stitch, one stitch, usual double crochet between of them, skip one stitch. Okay, I complete and turn to you. I come to end, skip one, insert the next one and finish with usual double crochet. Also you can turn with chain 3. Okay, it's possible. Turn our work, yarn over, come to chain 2 space, make here 2 double, chain 2 and 2 double. We increase these shells. Then you see here usual double crochet, insert the top of it and make here usual double. Then come to V stitch and make here 2 double, chain 2 and 2 double. Insert into this double crochet and make usual double crochet. Insert that space 2 double, chain 2 and 2 double. When you see double crochet, you will make here usual double crochet. I will keep increasing like that. I come to end and turn to you. I come to end, make my last double crochet, chain 3 and turn my work. We will keep increasing now. Yarn over, insert the chain 2 and make here 3 double this time. After this round I keep increasing, so it's not enough 2 chains. I need to increase that chains, 3 double, 3 chains and 3 double, 3. Then do the same thing, insert the top of the double and make double. Come to chain 2 space, make 3 double crochet, chain 3 and make 3 double crochet. After this round in chain 3 space I will make 4 double, chain 3, 4 double. Okay, I complete these 2 rows after turn to you. Here I complete my last 2 rows. We made here 2, 3 and 4. For this yarn it's enough, but you remember my first yarn more thinner, so I increase that 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 double, 3 or 4 chain, 6 double. It's your choice. If you want to make it more wider, you need to make more increases and you will add here between more chains, not 3 or 4. Okay, it's your what will you prefer for this color? Now we will finish our color with these shells. It's so simple. Chain 1 and turn your work. Insert into the same stitch here and make here single crochet. Then yarn over and come to this chain 3 space. Make here, first of all we will make 8 double crochet and we will look at this how it looks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think add one more, 9. Then we have here double crochet, not make double. I insert the top of this double and make here single crochet this time. Then yarn over, come to next space and make again 9 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Come to top of this double and join with single crochet. Look at this. This is more thinner and I made here 12 double crochet. You will adapt it. How is your yarn? Will you prefer for this color? You will make your decision and make your double crochets. Okay. I will make 9 double crochet here and make single crochet. Complete this row and turn to you and we will make our button. I come to end here, top of the double crochet, insert here, join with a single crochet, chain 1 and locked my yarn. Actually, that's it. It will be more incredible with more thinner yarns, you know that here. Now we will make the button. It's so simple, I promise you. Now make a simple magic circle like that. Lose your loop, give here a little length. Okay, then make a circle like that. Grab your yarn, chain 1, insert that hole and make single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then pull that yarn tightly and close that hole. Insert the first stitch here. Join with a slip stitch. Then we close this hole and little hole here. Okay. Insert your hook, that hole, the middle space, the center here. Grab your yarn and make single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then you will make a little control for this hole. Yes, it's enough. Now we will cut our yarn, give a little length again here. Now lose your loop. Okay, then insert your hook from these stitches like shrink the beneath top. Okay, insert that yarn, don't give up this loop, insert that yarn, these stitches here. insert that loop like that and take this yarn into it and shrink your bottom like that. Here we have now. Then turn, need to do here. I will take this yarn into from the center. Look at it more better like that. Then take your collars first, double crochet here and tie it one here and two. One more time. Three. That's it. Like that. I will hide them. And cut them. I hope you like it and you will try that. You can use this color your every project. You can put it on a t-shirt. I think it will be more gorgeous. I hope you like it and you will try. If you have any questions, please leave me comments and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.